Alhamdulillah. كان زوينة زوينة تبارك الله. مرحبا معك موروكو. شوف كوشي the hoods. زوين زوين زوين. كوشي فريش كوشي مزيان. You can see these really big crabs that you can order. You can order the size that you want. The size you want. They have the clams right here. They also have. I'm not really sure the name of this one, but if you touch it, he goes back in. They have the sea urchins. Everything. I think if you touch this, he moves. Oh, look how big this shrimp is, guys. Look how big that is. Nice and fresh. Fresh, fresh. We are here in the Canal Hudres, here in Morocco. Mahbabi, salam. Thank you so much. Finan. Kuto. Haka. Ah. So welcome to Morocco. You can meet him here. You can find him in Morocco and Casablanca at Kinan Hudres. This is the telephone number. Welcome to Morocco. Oh, he has his card here. I'm going to go ahead and take one of the cards. So if you need this, you can find it online on our website. Shukran. Shukran b'zeh. Shukran. Wow, look at that lobster, how big he is. Everything is so fresh. Salam, Madame Sahalia. Everything is so fresh. Salam. Welcome. Shuf. Wow, shuf, 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 shuf. Shuf kabir. We're in Casablanca, in Morocco. They have the squid. They have the smaller shrimps. Look how big this is. That is huge. If you look at the size of my head, you can see how big that is. Everything's very affordable and very cheap. Welcome, welcome to Casa. Smahalia. That crab. They have the smaller crabs right here, and they're alive too, and they have the crawfish. And these crabs are still alive because you can see them moving. They have the sea urchins. The sea urchins. This is Sadiq Masala. Salam. This is Sadiq Masala. This is his store here. We are in the market. You can see they have everything fresh. Anything you ask for, you can basically get it today. You can see the crabs, how big, the clams, the oysters, everything really big. Salam, Madame Behela, Besali. So that's it for today. We're in the fish department. We're going to walk around. I'm going to go look for some oil. Salam, Madame. Shukran. Smahalia. All the beautiful display of all the fish. You can see the sardines. And you can get like 2 kilos of that for like $1.50. 2 kilos is like 20 of those. And they're huge. You have the fish eggs. You have all the... I know this fish. Salam. Hello, Besali. We have fuisa fish here in Casablanca. There's the phone number. بلاتي شو أنا وشي. بلاتي شكرا. اسمه ليس. He says, welcome. They have their good fish, the trout, the yellow red fish. Wow, it's beautiful, 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 beautiful. Welcome to Morocco. You're here in the market. Stop by Fusia. Fusia, Eddie? Fusia. There's a telephone number you can call. Shukran. Salam. Shukran. This store right here, Central Bio, is a place where I come here in Morocco. You can see they have the argan, the safran, the mil, almlu, which is a zit, olive oil you can eat. They have all the oils that I use to create all my products. You can buy them in the smaller sizes. I can get you anything you want. He has the machine that he actually puts the product inside. He creates and presses the oil, all that. Everything from almonds to soaps to cooking oils, teas, you name it. So when you're here in Casablanca, come to the market. You can come to Central Bio. The telephone is 0670350202, number 64. This is the owner right here. He's very kind. He's very kind and welcome to Morocco, to his store. This is his store. Salam. Swahel. Video. Guli salam. Swahel. Here we come in the morning to eat breakfast. They make you breakfast. They make you eggs. They make you omelets. They can prepare your breakfast for you. Everyone's so nice. The lunch, yes. This is grill Alice, poisons, chest, they're red wine. They have the tagine, they have the hoot, sardine. Okay?
We have fish grill, fried fish with salad, calamari, shrimp.
Oh,
anything do you like? Every people come with here.
Okay.
All the world.
People from all over the world come here to eat the fried fish, boiled fish, baked fish.
Avantage that people buy this fish in the middle. Have a market fish, special fish is buy the fish, this fish, and this down from the restaurant.
Okay, so they go to the market. Okay, they go to the market, they get the fish, they bring it here, and they prepare it for you. So welcome here when you're here in Casa Morocco. Welcome, welcome. Okay, gula huwa smitu. Ana ralia. Oh, who are the red one? Who are the red one? He will go in Makba. He say, welcome to his store. Welcome. Welcome to Morocco. Shukran b'zef red one. Shukran. He's preparing lentils right now for he can make for the soup. It's a traditional Moroccan, is it soup? Lentil soupa. Yeah, lentil soup.
Prepared salad, aubergine fried, zalouk.
Zalouk. Wow, zalouk. Zalouk.
Paella.
Oh, they have everything here.
Everything.
So when you come to Morocco, come to Casa.
And big heart.
Yes, very big heart. He's very kind, guys. He's very kind.
Welcome to Morocco.
Thank you, Red One.
Thank you so much.
Shukran b'zef.